Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Camille, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I relax and style my hair. It's a whole new year, guys, so happy new year and all the best in your endeavors for this year. If you're new, feel free to subscribe down below and join the family, and if you're not new, welcome back, guys. I'm not going to be doing much talking in this video because most of what I'm doing is pretty much like self-explanatory, and I'm not doing like a tutorial per se. I'm just showing you guys how I relax and style my hair. So let's jump right into the video. So I'm just quickly applying the relaxer to my hair. When you have your hair this short, you cannot wait, or I don't wait until 6 to 8 weeks to relax my hair because it's not gonna look nice. This type of hairstyle needs to stay flat. It needs to stay laid. So honestly speaking, I relaxed my hair probably about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, about 3 weeks ago, but I need to have it laid. All right. Honestly speaking, I don't think it was processed properly, but it's not as curly as it was before, so that's good. So I've rinsed the relaxer from my hair, and I'm just going to be adding some treatment and some oil moisturizer to my hair and some mousse as well. I didn't really plan to add the mousse, but my hair was kind of sticking out, so I said, you know what, let me just add it so it could lay better. Hairstyles like these are really easygoing. You don't need to do a whole lot to it for it to look good, because all I'm going to do is make sure that the part is clean, comb it down, brush it down, and tie it down, and wait until it's dry. Now that we're all dry, I'm adding some castor oil to my hair. You know that's my go-to, so I have to add castor oil to my hair. And you can definitely see what I was talking about. It's not processed properly, but it still does look better than it did before. And for now, I could have actually worn the hair like this, but I didn't want it too flat, so I just used my flat iron to kind of pump it up a little bit. Boy. that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. And until next time, I will see you in my next video, and Happy New Year. Bye bye.